coming up in this video. Get a strike! Oh yes! Little kid. Hello and welcome to another video of Adventure in SA Adelaide. Today we're at Zone Bowling at Woodville. We'll be playing bowling there. Hope you guys enjoy, and like and subscribe to the channel when you're ready. See ya. Go in! Oh! Nah, it's gonna miss. Only one. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, that's gonna miss. This is it. Oh no! That's gonna miss. That's gonna miss. Oh! Oh no! Yes! Oh no! Yes! Strike! No! Spare this one. Still my... That's good enough. Oh no. Oh! No! Yes! Get one! I got a split! I'm gonna miss again. Yep. Get a strike. Oh yes!
Jackson Brunette, lane 16, your lane is ready. Jackson Brunette, lane 16, 16, your lane is ready.
I got another one! Is it going to be another one? No, it isn't. There you guys are.
Go home. Go home.
It's a race. Where did I get shot? At the back. Wow. I only got this space. How do I get on the other side? Active. I don't know where that is. Ah! Come on, base. Come on, base.
You reactivate it, put it up.
No, it didn't go up.
Put it up here. There you go. Put it up to reactivate.
Oh my goodness, it hasn't gone up yet. No! I am tagged in the shoulder. Someone behind. There's base in this one. No base.
Put it up to reactivate. Up. Yeah, there you go.
Ah, come on! It's still not there! Gotta go. Gotta find other bases. Gotta find other bases. Well, fine. I think that might be that one. Nope. base! There's no other bases! Oh my goodness. Where is the other bases? No! No! It's not us!
I don't think that's part of the crop. It should be.
Okay then. I think so as well. I'm gonna go up to the house. I knew that. I'm taking the shoulder this time. Little kid. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy adventuring SA Adelaide. I had a awesome time at Zone Bowling at Woodville. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe and comment me in the video for permission now. And I know who I have permission from. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.